Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. Time is 9:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's what I am. I'm actually in 10 contracts long at 55 right now. So just filled a moment ago over here. And um, still kind of difficult to gauge if the Bulls or Bears want to take over. So let me show you a chart that I marked up just a little while ago. Back over here, I believe this is a valid cluster, 15 wick, and we got a retest and got this nice bullish engulfing candle pushing past the previous day low, which is this yellow line right here. So I was waiting for a pullback to jump this as I wasn't watching back here when this happened, and that would have been an ideal entry. So see if we catch a retest and thinking this is gonna shoot long again. So deep oversold right now, which is normally a good sign, but oil being oil, it's not. You can't put too much weight behind it. And over here on Alchemy, we have a confirmation green arrow as well, and coming back on this retest down here. So I think we're going to hit this long. We're going to get half off here yet. Okay, kind of waiting for that. At 65 is where that is due to come off. And oh dang it, I didn't even set that. So I guess I better hit submit. Okay, at this point I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop on up to break even, just in case, since I did kind of miss that take profit order. 10 there. Okay, guys. So at this point, trying to see if this is a turnaround up here. We had a nice long wick doji. So the buyers tried to push it on down. Kind of got hung up right here on this yesterday's one deviation line, and a turnaround. A lot of volume in these areas right here. A lot built up. So we'll see what happens. So, alright guys, I'm going to pause and I'll be back and see which way we go. Okay, half just came off at this point. So, at an actual trade now with half off and still long 5 contracts at 29.55. Stop sitting at break even. Alright guys, be back shortly. Wow, we are amongst a lot of chop right now. So, this just hanging around settlement. My stop's still sitting at break even at 55. I'm going to try to pull one off at 75 to kind of secure some more if we can push on back up there. So still don't know who's in control right now. So at this point, it's just managing risk. It's always managing risk, but it's fairly crucial right now. So there's some big blocks of aggressive sellers coming in. So just kind of hoping it's still just a bounce off of this MA and this ice line, this red line right here. So we'll see. All right, looking to pull one off at 75 though. All right, guys, be back shortly. Okay, one just came off right here at 75. That leaves me 4 contracts long at 29.55. Stop still sitting at break even, and hoping we get a push up from here. So right here at 79 or 80 is the value area low on the market profile. So this morning at 6:30 it came on into it, and actually came on into it, or left it rather, and came back into it here at for the final time there at 6:30, and came on down and completed the 80% rule on this one here. So right here is yesterday's low at 55 is where I'm filled at, and seeing if we're going to push on up from this point. Alright guys, be back to see where we're at. Okay, just sold another one at 68. We are just in amongst the channel at the moment, just waiting for a nice breakthrough. And as you can see, we've just kind of been up and down from 78 down here to 55, 57. So decent channel if I was just scalping it, but just looking to hang on to this position trade. Okay, still long 3 contracts at 29.55. Got a slight break up there, so see if we'll push up from this point. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly. Okay, peeled one off at 95. That is for 40 ticks, so it's a good run. So I'm still 2 contracts short. Long rather, at 29.55, and at this point I'm going to set a take profit at 30.55 for 100 ticks, and I will adjust my stop up accordingly. So I'm still sitting at break even, and think I'll move it on up 10 ticks to 65 right now. Alright, guys, be back shortly. Alright, I had a pretty decent push up just a moment ago, so at this point I'm just going to roll my stop up to 85 right here on the moving average, and that will lock in 30 ticks there for still 2 contracts long from 29.55, and final target still set up at 30.55 up here. So we'll see if we can push on through. See, do we break? This is the point of control. Where the blue line is, it's actually a purple line right behind it, but that's the point of control. We can get a close above that, and or I am seeing some big prints here. Get a close above that, then we should be dandy to at least get to 35. But seeing these prints here, that might be something of concern as well. So I'll just continue to manage it with risk management rather, and just keep utilizing my stop just to secure more profit. Alright, guys, be back shortly. Okay, I just pulled one off at 30.05, lock in. That's for 50 ticks. And this cluster right here, I don't know if it's going to be a retrace or not, so I wanted to go lock in a little bit more. So I'm still long 1 contract, 29.55. I'm going to leave it at a final target of 30.55, and my stop is sitting at 85 right now, and that locks in 30 ticks. And let me see here. Now I'll just leave it there at 85 for the moment. Alright, guys, be back shortly. Alright, guys, so got stopped out at 85. That was 30 ticks on the stop, 50 on the runner. So decent morning. I'm actually at profit goal, so I am done trading for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.